Elephants, the largest land animals on Earth, have long held a place of fascination in human culture and history. These magnificent creatures, known for their intelligence, complex social structures, and incredible physical attributes, offer a wealth of intriguing facts and stories. In this exploration of the world of elephants, we dive into the details that make these animals truly remarkable. One of the most striking features of an elephant is its trunk. The trunk, a fusion of the nose and upper lip, is an incredibly versatile tool. It contains over 40,000 muscles, giving it extraordinary flexibility and strength. Elephants use their trunks for a variety of tasks, including breathing, smelling, touching, grasping, and producing sound. It's fascinating to observe an elephant use its trunk to delicately pick a leaf or forcefully uproot a tree. Another characteristic feature of elephants is their tusks. Tusks, which are actually elongated incisors, continue to grow throughout an elephant's life. They are used for digging, stripping bark, and as weapons in fights. Unfortunately, this feature has also made them a target for poachers seeking ivory, leading to a decline in elephant populations. Elephants have large, floppy ears that serve an important function beyond hearing. Their ears help regulate body temperature. Blood flowing through the extensive network of blood vessels in their ears cools down as they flap them, which helps to release body heat. These animals are known for their impressive memory. This is not just a saying. Scientific research supports the idea that elephants have excellent memory, aiding them in survival. They can recall water sources and migratory routes over vast distances. This memory plays a crucial role in their survival in challenging environments. Elephants demonstrate complex social behaviors. They live in matriarchal societies where the oldest female typically leads the group. These family units show empathy, cooperation, and even mourning behaviors. Elephants have been observed to grieve and pay respect to the bones of their deceased, which reveals a profound sense of loss and respect for their community members. The elephant's gestation period is the longest of any land animal. It lasts about 22 months, after which a single calf is usually born. Newborn elephants can weigh up to 260 pounds. The long gestation period allows the brain to develop sufficiently, which is necessary for their complex social life. Elephants communicate in various ways, some of which are beyond human hearing. They use infrasound, a low-frequency sound that can travel long distances to communicate with each other. This form of communication is essential in their vast habitats, where members of a group may be spread out. In terms of diet, elephants are herbivores and consume a significant amount of food daily. An adult elephant can eat up to 300 pounds of food in a single day. Their diet mainly consists of leaves, bark, twigs, and fruits. This large appetite means that elephants play a crucial role in their ecosystem, aiding in the dispersion of seeds and clearing of vegetation, which shapes their environment. Elephants are excellent swimmers. They use their trunks as snorkels when crossing deep water, a sight that is both amusing and astonishing. This ability to swim long distances has enabled them to colonize islands. Elephants have a significant impact on their habitat. They are known as ecosystem engineers because they create clearings in forests, dig water holes, and create paths that are used by other animals. These actions have a profound impact on the landscape and the availability of resources for other species. There are 3 species of elephants: the African bush elephant, the African forest elephant, and the Asian elephant. While they share many similarities, there are also notable differences in their size, habitat, ear shape, and trunk tips. For instance, the ears of the African elephant are larger and resemble the African continent, while the Asian elephant's ears are smaller and rounder. The skin of an elephant is surprisingly sensitive. Despite its thickness, an elephant's skin can sense the slightest touch and is susceptible to sunburn. Elephants will often cover themselves in mud or dust as a form of skincare, which also protects them from insects. Elephants play with water and mud, which is not only a joy to watch, but also serves practical purposes. These activities help in cooling them down, protecting their skin, and removing parasites. Observations of elephants engaging in these playful behaviors reveal their capacity for joy and pleasure. In many cultures, elephants are symbols of wisdom, power, and good fortune. They feature prominently in religion, folklore, and literature. In Hinduism, the deity Ganesh is depicted with the head of an elephant, symbolizing intellect, wisdom, and learning. The social intelligence of elephants is remarkable. They can recognize themselves in mirrors, an ability that is rare in the animal kingdom and indicates a high level of self-awareness. This trait is shared only with a few other species, like dolphins, great apes, and humans. Elephants are migratory animals and can travel up to 50 miles a day. This nomadic lifestyle is essential for their survival, allowing them to find enough food and water. These migrations also play a crucial role in the dispersal of plant seeds, as undigested seeds pass through their digestive system and are deposited in new areas. The feet of an elephant are uniquely adapted to their large size. Each foot has a cushion of fatty connective tissue, which helps to distribute weight and prevents them from sinking too deeply into the ground. This adaptation allows them to walk silently despite their massive size. Elephants have a very slow pulse rate, about 27 beats per minute for a large adult. This slow heartbeat is a characteristic of many large mammals and is related to their size and metabolism. Conservation efforts for elephants are vital due to the threats they face, including habitat loss, human-elephant conflict, and poaching. Numerous organizations and governments are working to protect elephant habitats, combat poaching, and promote human-elephant coexistence. The role of elephants in their ecosystem is also linked to water. By digging dry riverbeds to create watering holes, they provide essential resources for other animals, especially during droughts. These actions further demonstrate their importance in maintaining the ecological balance. Elephants have a unique way of greeting each other, known as the elephant handshake, where they intertwine their trunks. This gesture is a sign of affection and is often seen when individuals reunite or meet for the first time. Elephant calves are born with an incredible degree of social intelligence. They are quickly integrated into the herd and are cared for not only by their mothers, but also by other females in the group, a behavior known as allomothering. This communal care is critical for the survival and development of the young. The relationship between humans and elephants has been complex throughout history. In some cultures, elephants have been used for labor, war, and ceremonial purposes. Today, the focus is shifting towards conservation and ethical tourism, which allows people to appreciate these magnificent creatures in their natural habitat without causing harm. Elephants have a huge influence on folklore and mythology across various cultures. They are often portrayed as wise and just creatures, and their stories are used to impart moral lessons. These tales reflect the deep respect and admiration that humans have for elephants. If you learned something from this video, please leave a comment below, click the like button, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.